I'm Julia. I'm a professor in leadership, and today we're going to talk about why some people make decisions so easily and others are very indecisive. Have you ever wondered about this? Here's what the research says. A group of researchers who have looked into dividing people into action-orientated people, so those who make decisions, and those who are more state-orientated, more concerned about their emotional state, and they are more indecisive. They contemplate and think, and also afterwards wonder, did I make the right decision or not? What was the difference between the two groups? You would think maybe they make better decisions, or the outcome is more enhanced, or maybe they're quicker. But you know what? The only thing that was really different was their confidence. The action-orientated people were more confident in their decision. The state-orientated people were not so confident, despite the fact that the decision might have been the same quality or the same speed. The action-orientated group was just simply more confident in their own decision. They were not better, the quality was not better, they were not faster or more accurate. It was just the confidence level. Now, what does that mean though? If you're not so confident in your decisions, it can of course impact your future decisions, because maybe you then more are likely to procrastinate. But I think what this tells us is that the state-orientated people are just more, how can I say this, harsher to themselves. Sometimes it might be good to remind yourself, if only the confidence level is the difference, you might as well be okay in just making that decision and moving on. I found it interesting. I hope this gave you a little insight, and believe in yourself, you can make that decision.